seatbelts fastened to a port to the gate. The captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please exercise caution when opening up overhead bins that have been removed during flight. Your check bags will be available on the lower level JetBlue carousel. If you have a receipt that says clean at gate, you may pick up your items right outside the front boarding door. If you require any assistance deplaning the aircraft, please feel free to remain comfortably seated after we've arrived at the gate so we may better assist you. For up-to-date information on connecting flights, please check our front monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. Be sure to visit JetBlue.com to learn more about TrueBlue, our customer loyalty program, where you can start earning points on all of your flights, starting with this evening's flight. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially the captain, the first officer, Kathy, Fabian, and myself, Ryan, it's been our pleasure having you on board. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Once again, welcome to Orlando.